The case against a business owner charged with killing a suspected burglar is moving forward.
It's been nearly 2 years since police say LaRue Bratcher shot and killed a man trying to break into his marijuana grow business in southeast Oklahoma City. The Army veteran and father of 4 later charged with first-degree murder. But in court today, those charges were downgraded. News 4's Austin Brissett joins us live with the new developments. Austin, what happened?
Well, Kevin, Heather, that charge has now been downgraded to a murder 2 charge as we await the trial for the shooting that occurred almost 2 years ago. His supporters saying he shouldn't be charged at all.
We simply believe that we all here because we are asking for justice for him.
This is a waste of Oklahoma County taxpayers' money.
Those in support of LaRue Bratcher at the county courthouse Friday after a hearing to set a new date for his trial that was originally set for the end of February.
We're only going to continue to fight for LaRue until he's free.
In May of 2020, Bratcher was arrested for shooting and killing Daniel Hardwick, a man Bratcher claims was trying to break into his marijuana grow business. At the time, Bratcher told police he saw Hardwick on camera coming through a hole in a gate and then heard him at the back door. Bratcher asked what he was doing and fired 3 times through the door to scare him, only to find Hardwick dead on the other side. Supporters saying Bratcher was just standing his ground, including the author of the Oklahoma Stand Your Ground law, current County Commissioner Kevin Calvi, who says Bratcher shouldn't be charged at all.
This is a case that's not right versus left, it's right versus wrong.
But the state argues Bratcher's business license had lapsed, making it an illegal grow operation, which is a felony in Oklahoma. Prosecutors say Bratcher was technically committing a felony at the time of the shooting, so Second Amendment attorney Robert Robles says the Stand Your Ground law does not apply.
You will not be allowed to get the protection of the Castle Doctrine, which gives you the presumption under a series of facts that you are in fear for your life or in fear of being seriously injured by the opposing party.
If that's true, then what if somebody's in their car and they have let their driver's license expire or their car tag or their liability insurance? Does that mean somebody can go carjack them and they have no right to defend themselves?
And while not objecting, the state voiced concerns about the delay of the trial, saying Calvi is running for district attorney this year, and they claim Calvi said he would dismiss the charges if he won.
This has nothing to do with any election, anything like that. I'm here solely in my role as the author of the Stand Your Ground law. So in that role, I believe that the Stand Your Ground law does provide the protection to LaRue Bratcher that it would for any other Oklahoman.
Inconsistent with the facts of the case.
And the Oklahoma County District Attorney David Prater is releasing this statement. We've lost Austin's microphone, so we're going to read it for him. The false narrative being pushed by the defendant's supporters is completely inconsistent with the facts of the case. The true facts will be presented in open court at trial. Of course, this is something we'll continue to follow.
It is, and the trial date is set to begin about June 6th, we understand.